Hi everyone, welcome back to Empire Singapore channel. Today I'm going to show you guys 3 amazing soju cocktail recipe. So let's begin. Watermelon is a very common fruit that can be easily found at any food store or supermarket. To prepare this watermelon cocktail, first you need to cut it open. I got a mini blender here. Do you like it? I think it's very cute. Then, second, you need to hollow it out. Let's open it up. Add in some ice. Then, watermelon juice. Wow. I'm gonna put some garnish with cherries. Then, last but not least, our soju. There you go. Next one, we have tropical soju cocktail using pineapple and orange. This combination is the most favorite combination when it comes to fruit cocktail due to the strong explosion flavor and refreshing fragrance. What can be better than this in summertime? To prepare this cocktail, you also need to cut open the pineapple and put it aside. For pineapple, it's a little bit more difficult than watermelon because the fruit is harder, so you have to be careful when you cut it. Don't cut your hand, don't cut out. Abracadabra!
我太难了。
First, I'm gonna add in some ice. Then, I'm gonna use 2 shots of soju for this. Remember that you can add more soju if you like. Then, I'm gonna mix both juice together. Stir it up before serve. And pour it in. If you don't want a complicated preparation with those fruit, then Petiso fruit vinegar will be the best solution for you. So let's mix it with our soju and enjoy it together. First, add in some ice. Then I'm just gonna add 1 shot of this because the flavor is pretty strong. Now it's the time for the magic. Soju. I'm just gonna add 2 shots of this, but you can add more if you want. And there you go.
Good deal at cheap price.